YouTube. This is your boy LogicalWonderz with LWG WonderFam Games and WaGunLyfe Adventurez YouTube channel. Just want to let you guys know, for you guys that have Apple devices, that iOS 26.4.2 is available for you to download and update your iPhone, your iPads. I don't know about iPods, but at least anything that uses iOS is eligible for version 26.4.2. Come on down and download it. So this update provides bug fixes and security updates for your iPhone. Go ahead and click update now. Find the update.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
If you made this fun video, thank you so much for your time and love and support. Please don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you can.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. Making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice way.
Updating now to 26.4.2.
You'll never hear me, bitch. Nah, I don't complain. Just gotta
wish you all wondertastic, healthy, wealthy, safe, happy, prosperous day, week, and life. It's been LogicalWonderz.
But I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still